All right. Good morning, traders. It is Thursday, May 9th. Taking a look at the news. The British pound British pound interest rate decision came out about an hour ago. It kept it at 5.25%. We have US dollar unemployment coming out in about 15 minutes. 30-year bond auction coming out in about 5 hours, and then British pound GBP coming out later tonight, and then tomorrow we have some Canadian and US dollar news. Taking a look at the charts. This was one of the trades we took earlier this week, one of our wins, this AUDCAD reversal. We go back on the hourly, we see some previous resistance back in December, so we traded the sell at the top here. Quick scalp for just 20 pips. If I just glance and move on, it's probably just because I just don't find the chart creating any sort of useful pattern for my trade style. So typically trying to identify really strong resistance levels. This was a win from last week, and then a break even and win from, or that was a win from 2 weeks ago, and then a win and a break even from last week. EURCAD, this is our winning trade from yesterday. Again, pretty similar to the AUDCAD trade. We had these previous resistance points. We got into the sell as price came up to this level, and price has since rejected, but we're looking to capture just a quick 30 pips on this one. This EUROG trade was a winning trade from this week, and we have 2 limit orders. We have a limit sell at the previous high up here, and then we have a limit buy at the bottom down here. So if price trends in either of these points, we are ready to sell or buy at these levels. This one, EURNZD, I am somewhat interested in price coming down here and getting in an opportunity for price to correct. So we'll add it to our watch list. GCAD, similar to EuroCAD, has a sell at these levels, or a limit sell at these levels, but obviously price looks like it's been rejecting away from this level for a while now, so we'll just keep it open. Here we go. We have these two. So we had 3 GBPCHF trades. This is the first one. This is the second one, and then this is the third one. Third one, we hit our profit, got out of. We are now in this position and this position. And we are still in these two, just sort of collecting swap, waiting for price to come back up. Let's see. NZDCAD could be an opportunity for a sell. But we'll just add them to the watch list. So the reason is there's a bit of indecision here. We had some previously strong bullish momentum, failed to break highs. We broke into these new lows, lower high, lower low, lower high. We didn't quite break these lower highs, or didn't quite break this to create a lower low, so I'm less keen on getting in on a sell here. But for now, we'll just monitor it. These are another two positions we're still in, so we're still in this and this USDCHF trade, and we have a limit order placed down here in case price comes down this quickly. Gold still looks like it's mostly going sideways.
Just like when we like right now to get belly scratches.
And the indices, no major trends on the indices. At least none that I'm keen on trading. Although I could possibly see selling the S&P near these highs. Up here. Yes. Okay, so just to recount, looking at our watch list today, these are the three positions we're looking at, but we're not super keen on trading any of them, unfortunately. None of them look super good. For EURNZD, for this position to look good for a buy, we would have had to have a position back on Friday of last week, getting into a buy here. For NZDCAD, for this position to look good, we would have had to have broken the lows and then come back up. I would have been more keen getting into that sell. And then for the S&P 500, there's nothing wrong with this guy, but he needs to make it up here before we get into a sell. And that looks like that could take at least a few days, if not a week or longer. So, in review, these are some of the trades from this week. AUDNZD from last week. EUROGBP. This is also a trade from this week, but we do have these two positions, so that actually EUROGBP, we could get into a sell if price is to come up to this level. EURCAD position from yesterday. GBPCAD, we do have a limit order sell in preparation for price coming up here. AUDCAD sell from earlier this week in profit. And then GBPCHF and USDCHF. These are our sort of longer haul trades. Price moved against us. We're still in both of these positions. All right. That's sort of the quick and dirty recap. Other markets have already been analyzed, and no big potential trades have been found outside of those. Alright, I think we're going to end the stream here. Thanks for tuning in, and I will pick this up again tomorrow. See ya.